Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Android optimization with a Magisk module that promises to supercharge your device's charging speed. It's called XCharge and it claims to be a game changer. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Disclaimer: before we get started, I want to emphasize that this module is not guaranteed to work on old devices. Using it might void your warranty, and you're solely responsible for any issues related to your battery. Always proceed with caution. What is XCharge? So, what exactly is XCharge? Well, it's a Magisk module designed to enhance your device's fast charging capabilities. Essentially, it tweaks certain system settings to allow for faster charging speeds. It operates by modifying a system file which controls the maximum charging current. By increasing this value, XCharge aims to boost charging speed. XCharge doesn't stop at just increasing charging speed. It also has the ability to adjust temperature-related settings. This means it can prevent your phone from throttling charging speeds when it gets too hot. To access and control these settings, XCharge provides a menu. You can open this menu by typing XCharge in a terminal emulator like Termux. The menu offers 3 different modes: fast, faster, and fastest. Each mode corresponds to different charging current and temperature settings. Fast is the most balanced option. Faster offers higher charging speeds, and fastest aims for maximum charging speed but might impact battery health in the long run. Installing XCharge is pretty straightforward. You can download it from the video description. Once installed, reboot your device. To access the XCharge menu, open a terminal emulator, type XCharge and press enter. From there, you can choose your desired mode, so there you have it. XCharge is a promising Magisk module that could potentially give your phone a charging speed boost. Remember, it's essential to use this module responsibly and monitor your device's battery health. If you decide to try XCharge, let me know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.